Hello class, I'm here again with you with another topic. I hope you will learn it and enjoy. Let's have a look on objective of this lesson. This is a reading lesson which is really interesting and through which you will be able to understand the main idea in a short simple picture story. Firstly, we have to understand that what is main idea. I've got the main idea in my hand. And the fingers are the supporting details like who, what, when, where, why. I hope you all got a little concept about the main idea by knowing that the main idea is in your hand. Now moving towards another example, think that you are going to order a cone ice cream. So the cone ice cream is your main idea and the flavors you want in your cone ice cream. So you tell the shopkeeper that which flavor you want in your scoops. So the scoops would be your supporting details and the cone will be your main idea. So the main idea is what the text is mostly about and supporting details are facts or examples that tell more about the main idea. Let us have a little pause here and you have to attempt a pre-reading quiz on SET@Box which is present with the name of lesson 11 quiz 1 pre-reading activity. I suppose you all are done with the pre-reading activity. Now moving towards more details of this topic. A main idea is the most important idea. Sometimes the main idea is told in the first sentence. To explain this statement, there is a story. You have to read the story and identify the main idea. The house is old and needs some work. It needs new paint. The windows are broken. The door is loose. The roof has holes. There are two options. The house is old but nice. The second option is the old house needs to be fixed. So you can easily identify by reading the first sentence of this story. The house is old and needs some work. So it is totally matched the second option. The old house needs to be fixed. So this is the correct answer. And you can easily identify the main idea from reading the first sentence of the story. But always read the whole story to make sure you understand the main idea. Sometimes you need to read all of a story to find the main idea. For example, in this story, it is raining. Anne puts on boots. She puts on a raincoat. She puts on a hat. Now she is ready. There are two options to identify the main idea. Anne dresses for a rainy day and takes a long time to dress. I think the first option is appropriate. Anne dresses for a rainy day. And we got to know about this main idea by reading the whole story. So never rely on the first statement. You should have to read whole story to identify the main idea. I hope you all have understood the concept of the main idea. Now you have to attempt this quiz which is present in the SET@Box. There is a picture story and you have to identify its main idea and attempt the quiz which is present with the name of lesson 11 quiz 1 reading. I hope you enjoyed today's topic. See you next time. Till then, take care. Bye.